What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cadillac coming at you. I just got to my local paintball field. As you can see, I got my Virtual Lux Ace, my retro Nintendo. Always rock the Ninja Turtle. The purpose of this video, I just got the Insta360 X4 camera and I play paintball. So I ordered the premium lenses. I'm gonna test out the premium lenses versus paintball shots. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk a little distance and start shooting till I hit the camera. Hopefully I can hit the lens and see how it withstands that hit. No lens hit still. Gonna reload and try it again. Getting ready for round 2. This time I'm gonna slide up a little closer because it seemed like I couldn't hit the target for nothing in the world. And I'm gonna remove this because there's some paint already inside the lens. So that let me know all the way like they do, but it's just a lens protector, so a lot of people don't need them to seal all the way like camera shot, not a lens shot. Retry. We got one, another camera shot, lens shot. We're gonna keep going. Again, paint inside the lens on the around the seal, so it's not that bad. It is what it is. Just clean it off. Wipe down, makes it easier. Clean it off. Right back to it. Excuse me. It's a little blurry now, so clean it again. excuse the spit, because it's paint. It's gonna make that lens a little blurry, so need water to clean it off. And then after this, I'm just gonna come close and shoot it real close and see how that works. Can hit the camera but can't hit the lens. My shot sucks. Straight shot, didn't crack. I'll let you know how fast with my BPM and all that, but now I'm gonna do a close shot. As you can see, paint got under the lens again. We'll just clean that off with some water once I get home. Put a little spit for the water right now. I did brush my teeth this morning. Off this, and then now I'm gonna do a close-up shot to see if it cracks with that pressure, which I believe it might, because it's not at a distance. So, all right, I shot that and it either cracked and shot off, or it shot it and twisted it off. So now I'm gonna stop the video and try to find it. All right. Got some guys coming on the field, but I just found it and it's fine. It didn't crack. It just twisted off, I believe, but I feel like, oh, hold on. It did break. It broke the base. So it just twisted it apart. So now I gotta go get a replacement, but yeah. Did you shoot your camera? Yeah, I just got it and they got these lenses, but the lens didn't crack, it just popped off. Oh. Yeah.
That 360 camera?
Yeah.
Oh. We're about to play.
I'm about to leave.
Oh, you ready? All right, I'm gonna lift. Hold on. Hold on, he's still on the field.
Just got back from the field. I was testing out my Insta360 X4. Those premium lenses, seeing how good they will hold up. So here we go. We got one lens still together, fully intact. A little paint on the inside, normal. Here's the other lens, which is just the frame. I can stick my finger in, the lens is gone. I can't tell you if it cracked or what happened to it. I just know it was gone off the camera, and just this little frame, the locking mechanism, was left. So I'm guessing it hit and it split it. As you can see, the rubber piece right here, it hit it and split it at the base. I actually went back to the field because I thought both of these was one piece. So I was looking for a whole nother lens put together. And then when I came home, I inspected and I noticed, oh, the dome part is missing. You had the locking part on your camera, just the dome piece was missing. So will these hold up long distance? Yes, I say. Close-up shots, I don't think so. I think they'll crack, especially since it's a close range. And like I said, I can't tell you if this lens cracked or not. I know it's separated. That's a lot of pressure going to it. So I'm thinking maybe it might be best for me just to play with the camera without any lens covers on there, because the camera has a longer warranty than these premium lenses. They have 3 months. The camera's like 5, 6, 7 years. So who knows? But it didn't hold up. This is the side that didn't get shot. Of course, the side that did get shot, it busted. It failed. As you can see, no lens. It's just a frame, the locking mechanism, whatever you want to call it. This is the bottom piece that when you put the lens to the camera, just like this, and then you turn it, this locks the lens in place. But yeah, it didn't hold up. I thought it would. I wish I found that lens to know if it cracked or not. But yeah, Insta360 Premium Lenses for paintball, it's a fail. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think.